Hello, ke le dumedisa ka leino la Jesu Kristo. Ke tlo bua ka sekgowa, askis. Mara Uncle Jomo is my uncle, and my parents know that I usually argue and I win arguments. My mom will end up saying, utukile ska karaba, but I'll continue. So Uncle Jomo, he really surprised me. I'd bring up an argument and still he'd always win. You could talk about soap and somehow he'll know everything and he'll tell you everything that he knows. So we'll miss Uncle Jomo, but I know that he's in a better place, and I pray that one day I'll see him again. And the Lord says that vengeance is his, so we should not worry. The Lord, these people took him, and the Lord knows what he's doing, and he will take his vengeance because vengeance is his. Thank you.